In this video, I'll be showing you how you delete comments on Microsoft Word. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So you can see on your screen, I have two different comments here. I'm going to delete them. So to do it is very, very simple. What you do is you tap on the comment you are trying to delete. So I have this here, right? I tap on it for it to be selected. You can move to the tabs here and you can see delete here. Tap on the delete here and you can delete it from the side. Tap on delete, it's going to delete. And the second option is you can select the comment here and you right click and you can find delete here too as well. You get me? Let's use this one. You see it's deleted. Now let's revert it and let me show you guys the first one I talked about. Select it once again. You come to this tab here, tap on delete and it's been removed here. Now let's do a second one here. We right click and then we select the delete comment here and it's deleted. We select this here, come to delete here and then you delete it. So if you want to delete every comment on a Microsoft Word document too, you just come here. That one you don't need to select anything. Come straight to this tab here. You see delete and you see delete all comments in document. Tap on that. It should remove everything. Now let me revert my action. So that's it on how you delete single comments and also every comment on a Microsoft Word document. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.